setting up an image gallery. So before we do that, let's just have a look at the image galleries as they stand. So what we have here is an image gallery that I created for you using some of the information I had before. And what you'll notice is that the images are all, despite the size of the image or the height of the image, are all in one row. So you've got the row where the images are all next to one another. It's a standard layout. So it doesn't matter what size the image is, they're going to try and fit 3 images next to one another. So let's have a look at a different one. So the observational flights. Yeah, you'll see, even if the images are of different heights, they slot in quite neatly underneath one another. So this is a masonry layout where the images fit nicely underneath each other in this sort of almost haphazard way, but it all fits together quite nicely. What you'll see is you can click on these images, and if they were larger, they would make available the larger image for you. So previously, your image galleries would have looked something like this, where they are not clickable, they are fitting quite neatly, but this is quite a big deal often to create. So it's a pain to do. You have to resize all your images. Not a fun way to create an image gallery. So let's have a look at our new system. And we're going to do that by creating a new gallery page, just a test page for you to see the way in which we go about doing that. So the first step is to actually go to the media manager. You can do that from the home dashboard by clicking on media, or if you're on another page, you can go to content and then click on media. So here's the image gallery, and it's full. You've got sorry, not the image gallery, this is the images folder. It's got a lot of content. There are a lot of photographs in here. And it would probably make sense for you to go ahead and, well, you can see it's so big it's actually causing my screen to go a little funny. So what I would suggest is over time you go and just delete some of those. Just click on them. If you hold the shift button, you can click on more than one. And you can just spend some time going through them all in your own time and deleting the ones that you're not using. So the way you'll do that is to just click on them all, put a tick in there, and click delete. So we're not going to do that now. What we're going to do is create a new sub-gallery folder, or sorry, another subfolder in the gallery folder. So double click on gallery. So now in the gallery folder, and I'm going to create a new folder called test. Right, so double click in test. And now we're going to upload some images. We just click on upload, highlight the images that we want to upload, and click upload. Great, so all those images have uploaded successfully. And we can now go and create the gallery widget. And the way we do that is we go to components, widget kit. Widget kit is by UTheme. It's a fantastic facility or system that makes it easy for us to create fun galleries and many other things actually. So I've created the test gallery, but I'm just going to trash that. It was part of my test. Let's start it again. So we click on new to create a new gallery. Now with widget kit, there are many different things we can do, slideshows, popovers. It's a lovely system, but to start with, we're just going to focus on a simple gallery by clicking on gallery. We need to select a content type. So we are going to select here a folder. And then we click on create. Right, so what folder is it? It's images /gallery /test. So that puts us in a test gallery. Let's just have a look at settings. Behavior, we're going to set it to the maximum height, which is default. Or masonry. Let's maybe do masonry because it ends up creating a neater gallery page for you. And then it tells you the number of columns. So on the phone, it's going to have 1 column. Phone landscape, if you turn the phone on its side, we can maybe say 2. On a tablet, I'd say 3, and on the desktop 3, and on large screens like a TV or something, also 3. Great. In animations, quite fun to maybe just go slide top small. So there we go, slide bottom small. So it's just going to how they load. And let's click on media, content. Sorry. So content, the title and content is going to be drawn from the name of the image. So if it's called xyz.jpg, then the xyz is going to be used as a title for that image, and it's not going to make much sense here, so we're just going to switch that off rather. Then we need to give it a name, so let's call that test gallery. Great, so test gallery, and we can save and close. Right, so now we've got the widget sorted. The widget is a little system that is going to run the gallery for us. Now we've got to create a page. So we go to content, articles. Let's add a new article. This is going to be something we'll delete right away, but there's a test. Test gallery. Right, okay. So we're going to be using UThemes Builder to create this page. So first thing we do is just give it a name and then click Save. Now UTheme Builder becomes available, so we can click that. And we're going to click New Layout. So we've got a new layout set up, and first thing we're going to do is insert something. Let's insert a headline, and let's call that test gallery. Right, then we can go back, and then if we were to click here, it's going to add a new row, a new section. We just want to create something underneath the headline, so it's all part of the same section really. Let's create text, and now we can go okay, now we can go back to Builder and we add another one, and here we're going to add under System Widget Kit. Let's do that, and now we pick a widget. There we go, Test Gallery, and you can see that is how your page will look once it's published, and you can click on Enlarge, and it's a really nifty system to easily build galleries. Just save layout, go back to Builder. Okay, so just go close, let's save that layout, and save and close, and that gallery page is now created and is available for you to link to via your menu system.